Boosts on MoneyLion are a feature that allows you to earn extra cashback rewards when you shop at select retailers using your MoneyLion debit MasterCard. Here's how to use Boosts effectively. Access Boosts. Open the MoneyLion app on your smartphone and navigate to the Rewards or Boosts section. Browse available boosts. Explore the list of available boosts, which includes cashback offers from various retailers and brands. Each boost specifies the cashback percentage and any terms or conditions. Activate boosts. Select the boosts that interest you and activate them by tapping on them. Once activated, the boost will be added to your account and applied automatically when you make eligible purchases. Shop with MoneyLion Debit Card. Use your MoneyLion Debit MasterCard to make purchases at participating retailers. Ensure that your card is linked to your MoneyLion account and that you can use it for transactions to qualify for the boosts. Earn cashback. After making a purchase at the participating retailer, the cashback rewards specified by the boost will be credited to your MoneyLion account. These rewards can be redeemed for cashback or other rewards offered by MoneyLion. Monitor rewards. Keep track of your cashback rewards and boost usage within the MoneyLion app to maximize your savings and rewards.